Driving school on Atlantic Avenue in Brooklyn, New York. If you live on Atlantic Avenue, we cover this area as well. You can definitely get some lesson with us here with no issue. You just have to check pierrepauldraiving.com. We can definitely help. We're gonna cover a series of things that require from you as you're doing your wood test from the DMV examiner. They wanna be on the lookout for, all right? Is the one with Lane Street here. We're driving in the middle. We're driving in the middle of the street. We don't wanna be too far off of the center because we're gonna be attracting other people to come around us to do things that they're not supposed to do, all right? Driving school on Atlantic Avenue, Brooklyn, New York. If you live around those areas, we cover those areas as well. Let us know. We'll be more than happy to help you with all your driving need. I'm seeing the light here is 8. We have enough room, but the bus is giving me trouble. You know what? I'm gonna roll up and wait behind the bus to avoid trouble, all right? I could have gone around, but it is no need for. It's gonna be too much of a hazard because I've already seen the light next to the bus is already a different color. You see the bus pulling in now? I'm gonna signal my attention to my left. Okay, get on the lane here. All right, the bus pulling and stop right over here. We're gonna stop right over here as well because there is a stop here. We don't wanna go pull more past the bus and the event that somebody else with a big car making a turn here, so we are not on their way. All right, this is a driving lesson in Atlantic Avenue, driving school in Atlantic Avenue, New York. If you live around the area, we'll be more than happy to help you. See, the humans are clear. Let the human clear. All right, continue to drive. All right, folks, nice and smooth. Okay, keeping within your lane. You do not want to be in the bus lane. We're gonna continue to drive here. At the light coming up, we're making a left turn. Okay, driving school in Atlantic Avenue, Brooklyn, New York. If you live around the area, we cover these areas as well. This has been with Pierre Paul Driving School. Anything you want me to cover in particular, put in the comment below. I will be more than happy to help you with those things. No issue at all, all right? Remember, it's not about driving, it's how they want you to drive to pass the test. The minute you understand that, it changes everything. That's at the level I want you guys to understand, because in the end, it's all about how they want you to drive. It's gonna be a difficult left turn here, but you and I can do it together. You guys, what do you think? We think we can do it? I think we can do it. All right? Is it 2-lane road with 1 lane restricted to the bus, 1 lane to regular cars, 2-way street, and it's Atlantic Avenue in Utica, which is very busy here. But we can do it together. Let's do it together. We're gonna pull up here. All right, gonna go all the way over by the second divider and wait there. That's where they get complicated. Make the bus life hard on my right side, but we have to do what we have to do. All right, beautiful. We have to do what we have to do. Got a lot of bus line coming to my right side here, but it is what it is. You're supposed to be able to adjust. Okay, very tedious turn. The human's clear. Okay, let's go through with the turn and follow in. You see the human? Let's go human. Wait for the human to clear. All right, keeping it to the closest right lane. I want to go to the left, but I'm not turning. I'm keeping it here. All right, driving here, both lanes on the steering wheel, and pay attention to traffic. Early morning here in New York City, driving is hectic, but with you guys help, we can do it together. All right, so I'm already forward planning ahead. See what's going on here. Okay, both lanes on the steering wheel. All right, continue to smooth, nice and smooth, and keeping it going. All right, if you live in Atlantic Avenue, New York, and you need Pierre Paul Driving School to help you, feel free. We definitely can give you a push on this area as well. All right, like, share, and subscribe. Anybody that can benefit from this video, send it to them. If you have any question, put in the comment below. My next question to you, if you done your wood test, where did you do your wood test and how many points did you get? All right, is my question to you here. It's been here with Pierre Paul Driving School, and time now is 7:19 a.m. We start lesson here as early as 6 a.m. here at Pierre Paul Driving School, and as late as 11 p.m. and we pick you and drop you off depending on the area that you live in. All right, okay, gonna hang here, keeping it a little bit more, push it one more notch. Okay, pay attention to traffic on both directions. All right. Early morning New York City wash hour. Okay. Keep always to your right and always pay attention to people that can pop up on you at any time. All right. At the light coming up, we're making a right turn. gonna move mirror right, shoulder right, move in the right lane to make that turn nice and smooth. All right, we're gonna creep in because we're allowed to do so. Mirror right, shoulder right, and make the turn. You see how much I'm looking, folks? Pay attention to all my surrounding, okay? Any questions, folks, put it in the comment below. I will be more than happy to answer any question which are driving related. Okay, we come up to an all-way stop sign. We make a single stop here where everybody can see everybody. Okay, the humans are crossing. You have to let the human clear completely from curve to curve. Okay, humans are clear. We continue to go, making a right turn as this traffic light coming up. See, I'm checking my shoulder. Bring my car to my right side. Okay, no wash on the turn. I'm good with my turn here. Okay. All right. Gonna make a left turn at the light here. Matter of fact, yes. A lot of observation here, folks. To the closest left lane. All right. Continue to drive here. Nice and smooth. There's no rush. At the traffic light coming up here, making a right turn. Mirror right, shoulder right, and go with my turn. I'm gonna see here. You see all the humans? Gonna let the humans clear, folks. Okay? Road test tips. Never washes on the humans. See how much I'm checking my shoulders? Anybody overtaking me? All right. Like, share, and subscribe, folks. This has been here with Pierre Paul Driving School. Until then, folks, keep practicing. Take care now. Bye-bye.